Just finished a great workout, and I'll tell you, at the end of every single workout, no matter what happens, whether it's cardio, weights, whatever I'm doing, the workout's not complete without a good stretch. And I say that because stretching and flexibility is the key to maintenance. Now, handling personal injury and representing hundreds of, if not thousands of clients that have injuries, that have back complaints, neck problems, flexibility, strength issues, I'll tell you, the most important thing is obviously getting to the treatment, but once that's done, you need to continue to maintain. And how do you do that? Strength, flexibility, continuing with your stretches, home exercise, so that you don't have to be relying upon going back to the orthopedic, going back to the chiropractor, going back to the therapy. Make sure that you keep the stretching and flexibility increasing, and that's the only way to maintain the health and ultimate happiness that really you deserve.